help save coral reefs in 2025. Hey ocean lovers, reef rascals, and future marine TikTok stars. Welcome back to Reef Relief, your headquarters for all things wet, wild, and a little weird, kind of like my hair after swimming. The Great Underwater Party. Coral reefs are like the coolest underwater party spots. Colorful, crowded, and everybody's looking for snacks. Without them, fish turn into total introverts, hiding behind seaweed and refusing to come out for plankton pizza. Fun fact time. Did you know coral polyps are basically tiny squishy animals that build huge skeleton palaces, kind of like underwater SpongeBobs? And when they get stressed out, they turn white, aka coral bleaching, a fashion trend nobody wants. Reefs and their BFFs. Who loves coral reefs? Sharks, turtles, baby fish, scuba diving influences, and my grandma's pet hermit crab. Reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, but they're home to like a bazillion species. I counted. Give or take a few. Here is a joke for you. Why did the coral refuse to share its snacks? Because it was a little shellfish. What happens if we lose them? Nemo goes missing, again. Your sushi menu, suddenly less exciting. Beach vacations turn into, check out this fabulous patch of algae. Climate change, the reef party crasher. Imagine your birthday party, and someone brings a hurricane, turns up the thermostat, and dumps trash all over the cake. Ouch, right? Ocean temps rising equals corals freak out. CO2 in the air makes the water more acidic. Translation: fish are getting heartburn, corals are losing their chill. Plastics everywhere, the ocean's new unwanted fashion statement. Joke: if I find one more plastic straw, I'm sending it to time out with my ex's mixtape, never to be heard again. Let's interview a fish. Welcome, Gil, from the reef. Care to comment? Blub blub blub. Translation: please recycle. Nemo can't handle any more stress. How to save reefs, and not just by liking this video. 1. Cut the pollution, use less plastic. Don't throw your lunch wrappers in the ocean, seriously, Fish don't want your old PB&J. Two. Smart sunscreen. Use mineral-based ones. Trust me, coral hates that chemical stuff like I hate SPF in my eyes. Three. Support reef-friendly brands. Vote with your dollars. Like, don't buy jewelry made of coral, unless you want clownfish showing up at your door with protest signs. 4. Become a citizen scientist. Apps for spotting fish and counting corals. There's literally an app for that. Download, snap, and join the data party. 5. Raise your voice. Share, tweet, dance on TikTok. Even use those embarrassing seashell selfies from that one vacation. Every bit of awareness helps. Joke: if a hermit crab can move house to find cleaner real estate, you can pick up a piece of litter. No claws needed. The splashdown. Subscribe, like, hit that bell, or I'll tell dad jokes every episode. Why did the octopus cross the reef? To get to the other tide. Remember, saving reefs isn't just for scientists in fancy wetsuits. It's for goofballs like us too. Stay salty, stay silly, and stay swimming. Catch you next time, same tide, same place.